It's not a big deal to us. Now we are going to discuss next chapter, that is the light, shadow and reflection. So look here, light, shadow and reflection. Light, shadow and reflection. बच्चों, what is the light? Light क्या है बच्चों? एनर्जी. Light is a energy. So ये from पवित्र सवाल का to everyone, ये everyone here don't do this, otherwise I will block this chat box. हाय हेलो मत करा करो क्लास में, राइट? तो बच्चों, व्हाट इज द लाइट? Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy which enable us to see various objects. Which enable us to see various objects. So, what is the light? Light is a form of energy which enables us. हाँ, कॉपी में लिखना है. You will write these notes in your notebook. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see various objects, जिससे कि हम different objects को देख सकें. It is a form of energy, right? Now, sources of light. एक यहीं से बात आती है बच्चों. तो देखा जाए, there are two kind of the sources of light to us. हमारे पास दो टाइप के सोर्सेज होते हैं लाइट के. हटा दो इसे. Have you written this one? So look here, sources of light. Sources of light. There are two kind of the sources. Number one, natural sources. Natural sources. And second one, man-made sources. Natural sources and man-made sources. There are two kind of the sources. Natural sources and man-made sources. Natural sources of light. These sources which emit light naturally. The sources which emit light, the sources which emit light naturally, are known as natural sources. Natural sources, example, number one, sun. Or you know well, sun is the brightest and natural body which provide ample of the heat to us. Which give ample of heat to us. और सन है तो हमारे यहाँ पर लाइफ है. Life on the earth due to the presence of sun. Second one, दिन के टाइम तो सन होता है, but what about the night? During night We also get moonlight. Moonlight due to the moon. We also get moonlight. Moon actually it do not have its own light. It do not have its own light. इसकी खुद की लाइट नहीं होती. It reflects the light that gain from the sun. It reflects the light that gain from the sun. सन से जो लाइट होती है उसको ये रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. That's why during the light of moon is cool and जितना जितना दिखना है चलो ठीक है. सो नंबर 1 सन, सेकंड वन मून, थर्ड वन स्टार. You know, in our universe, in our stars millions in number. Sun is also a star. Sun भी एक स्टार है. और हमारे यहाँ पर what is the name of galaxy of what is name of our galaxy? Yes, can anybody tell me what is the name of our galaxy? Milky Way. Our galaxy is known as Milky Way. Milky Way is the our galaxy. Our galaxy name Milky Way. It is also known as Mandakini. It is also known as Mandakini. Milky Way also known as Mandakini. Got it? So sun, moon, and stars. Thousands and millions of the stars are there in our Milky Way. And there is a sun and planets, and this is known as solar family, solar system, solar family. Next one, firefly. Fireflies. Firefly. बच्चों, when I was in भुवनेश्वर, तो मेरा रूम जो है अपस्टेयर था, ऊपर मंजिल पर. तो वहां पर क्या होता है, बहुत सारे यहाँ वहां पर जो है ग्रीनरी ही ग्रीनरी, जहां देखो मैं ग्रीनरी नजर आती थी. और जब रात को उस टाइम पे क्या होता है, रात के टाइम पर ड्यूरिंग नाइट I used to open the विंडो ओपन रहती, और तो जैसे विंडो ओपन रहती मैं उसका स्ट्रीट लाइट ऑफ कर दिया लेटने के लिए. जैसे ही लाइट ऑफ करता, अब नींद तो आती नहीं, एकदम से लेटते नींद थोड़ी आती है. तो थोड़ी देर में बच्चों मेरे रूम के अंदर ऐसे 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 बहुत सारी फायर फ्लाई जैसे घूमने के लिए है, मेरे बेड पर आके बैठ जाती. तो फायर, it was the first experience when I observed the fireflies. Fireflies are some insect-like animals. So बच्चों, what are the natural sources? Sun, moon, stars, and fireflies. What are the natural sources of? What are the natural sources of the? ये नंदिनी अजमेरा सबको firefly का फोटो दिखा रही है. So sun, moon, star, and fireflies. These are the natural sources of. तो क्वेश्चन कैसे आएगा बच्चों? What are the natural sources of light? Now look, man-made sources. Man-made sources हमने क्या बनाया बच्चों? कैंडल. कैंडल, इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब, कैंडल, इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब, ट्यूबलाइट, एलईडी लाइट्स, LEDs, these are the natural sources of light. Candle, electric bulb, tube light, LEDs, these are the examples of sources of light. अब बच्चों ये तो थे sources of light. Now I want to discuss with you that जितने भी objects नजर आते हैं बच्चों, all kind of the objects, these objects can be of two types. Number one, these objects, all objects are of two types. Number one, luminous object and second one, non-luminous objects. इसके बारे में हम लोग बाद में बातचीत करेंगे. मैं तुम्हारी आवाज